Attention cable installers and electricians. Tired of wasting time cutting and filing EMT conduit on site? Introducing our 4-inch EMT Conduit pre-cut kit, the ultimate time saver for your cable installations. Each kit includes one 15-inch piece of high-quality 4-inch EMT conduit, 2 plastic end caps, one 2-piece Unistrut hanger. Our pre-cut sleeves are ready to install directly onto Unistrut, saving you valuable time and money. Say goodbye to struggling for straight cuts, time-consuming filing, excess material waste. With our kit, you'll enjoy perfectly cut 15-inch lengths, ready to use in the exact quantities needed for your project. Order now and experience the convenience of our 4-inch EMT Conduit pre-cut kit, because your time is valuable. Visit our website newtechindustries.com or call today 954-581-6688 to streamline your cable installations.